Hello family, we have another property tour. Today we are touring Triad Springs by Lennar out here in the southwest area of Las Vegas. This is the Paradise Park Collection, two-story homes, convenient location, right off of Blue Diamond with easy access to shopping, dining, and recreation. You got Nathaniel Jones Park right here, right nearby with splash pads, playgrounds, and dog park. Really great location. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Ramiro Fregoso, licensed realtor here in the area of Las Vegas. What I do in my channel is I tour all the new construction communities throughout the Las Vegas area to show you what builders are offering. That way, you can decide if the home or the community is a right fit for you. So if you've been looking to make a move, my number will be right on the bottom of your screen. Call or text me anytime, guys. And also hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss my next tour. Real quick, Triad Springs has 3 different floor plans here in the Paradise Park Collection. You got the Elm, the Carol, and the Alice. But today we are going to be touring Carol plan. But before we get inside, let me give you the details on this home. So this is a 2-story home, 2,670 square feet, 4 bedrooms with 1 bedroom downstairs, 3 baths, starting base price at $579,990. Keep in mind, guys, that is just the base price. Does not include any of your lot premiums or upgrades. Look at this, guys. Got the hills right there, perfect for nice little hikes. See all the construction. Also, obviously right now, that's the sales office, but that would be your 2-car garage. You're gonna get pavers for your driveway. Front landscaping, I know you can't, it doesn't seem like much right now because it is a model home, but your front landscaping does come included, guys. What doesn't is gonna be the backyard landscaping. We'll touch base when we get there. I do love the stones here around that garage. Just go inside. And I'll tell you what, it has been getting hot. HOA here is 91 bucks. Look at this entryway, monthly. Let's go inside and check out this bad boy. All right. Looks like you got the 9-foot ceilings. This one has the LVP flooring. Straight ahead is going to be to go to your second floor, living room, and here off to the right is that bedroom I was telling you downstairs. And then right here, this is to your 2-car garage. Obviously, we're not going to check it out because it is currently the sales office. So let's start off over here. So for people looking for that bedroom downstairs, this is definitely going to be that nice option for you guys. For whatever reason, maybe you need a home office downstairs, your parents come visit you for guests, or maybe you just have that one family member that wants to be separate from everybody else and be downstairs. So many different reasons, guys, I hear. So you got that full bath right here, currently being used as the community public bathroom, but I'll show you real quick. Single vanity, stand-up shower, and then right here, coat closet. Also, before I get any further, guys, Lennar is what we call a spec builder. So, I mean, what does that mean for you guys? So what they do is they start building these homes before anybody buys it. They've already picked out the floor plan, and it's, you know, usually when they put it up on the market, guys, it's close to move-in ready within, I'll say, 30 to 90 days. You know, they already picked the options and all that good stuff, and you just kind of come in, they lay out what it has, you decide yes or no. So there's no changes you can do to it typically. Look at this nice decor right here. So pretty much, I would want to say everything you see is what you get, but that's not always true. And the reason I say that is because you're gonna get the upgraded flooring, it just might be different. It could be tile, or it could be this LV flooring, different color, but you will get that. Also the same with like your countertops and your cabinets. You might just get different color cabinets and different type of countertops. Also the backsplash, I know you see it here. Typically when I see Lennar, they typically don't spec them out with the backsplash. But everything else, guys, typically is what you see is what you get. Living room. And I hope that was helpful. Of course, guys, if you guys have any questions about anything, maybe I didn't cover anything, maybe you just don't understand, give me a call, shoot me a text, guys. I'd definitely love to explain or answer any questions you may have. Look at this island. Easily, you can see 4 people. This has the white quartz. You got the gray veins. Look at this, guys, real quick from this angle. Over here, you got your stove, microwave. So the stove, microwave, refrigerator do come included. What doesn't is going to be your washer and dryer. When we get upstairs, I'll kind of cover those more in details on how we could potentially get that included. Your washer, stainless steel undermount sink. You will also have an osmosis system that will come included. It's a third-party company that comes, and what they do is they just install like a basic standard feature, and typically that's already hooked up, but they always try to like oversell you, right, the whole system, which at the end of the day I recommend, but it's always good just to shop around. You don't have to go with the, what is it, Depure. Check out at least 3 or 4 companies. Nice dining area, easy seats so you can see 6 people comfortably. Almost forgot, but over here, your pantry, where the goods are stored. So this is it. I mean, what do you guys think of the living room, your dining, and your kitchen area? Drop a comment below. Give me some feedback. You dig it, you don't. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. Let's see if we have, I don't think we have access to the backyard, but doesn't hurt to try. Let's see. No, it doesn't. Since these are self-guided tours, they typically leave this locked just because what's gonna happen, people are gonna forget to lock it. So that's why they lock them. But I'll show you from here, guys. Like I said, your front landscaping does come included. What doesn't is gonna be your backyard, guys. But this gives you an idea of what you can do. Definitely doesn't seem like the biggest backyard. I mean, just from this slider to there, I would say to eat 20 feet, maybe 18, I don't know. Don't hold me up to it, just a guesstimate, right? Got the little artificial grass over there. And typically I always like to say is you have 6 to even up to 12 months to complete your backyard, guys, per the HOA. Because you just ain't get a clean slate, guys, just dirt. One last view. Also, guys, do me a huge favor if you guys are enjoying this tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. That way you don't miss any upcoming tours. Also, really quick, guys, if you guys are planning to check out new construction homes, make sure you don't make the mistake of walking it alone, guys. Even on these self-guided tours, guys, because what happens is builders will consider you unrepresented if you do go by yourself, and you may not be able to add an agent later. It's very difficult to do so. The big reason it matters is having someone helping you negotiate the price, incentives, upgrades. Guys, that's just to name a few things of what we do. There's a lot more. So if you have any questions or want me to go with you on that first initial visit, guys, my contact information will be down below. Let's go upstairs. So as you notice, as we're walking upstairs, you can have carpet. Pretty much you're gonna have carpet throughout the second floor, except like your wet areas. What does that mean? Your bathrooms and your laundry room. That's what's considered a wet area. Really quick, let me show you. So you got the also 9-foot ceilings here on the second floor. Got a nice loft. Over here is your primary. Then you got 2 other bedrooms on that side. But let me show you here this first. Nice size loft, guys. I mean, if you could fit a pool table, you definitely know it's a nice size. Got the nice TV right there. A little bar bench area right there. I do love this this staging. Look at this, let me show you from here. Then if we come over here, is your laundry room. So like I mentioned, guys, when I was on the first floor, washer and dryer is optional, as you can see. But if I represent you guys, I'm always gonna do my best to ensure they include that with your home purchase, guys. Also, you notice these are optional as well. So that's an upgrade. Are they speccing them out with it? Maybe some, maybe not all, 50-50. Then look at, we got some linen storage over here. Man, this is definitely bigger than what I would need personally. And here's your smart panel box for your internet, attic access. What do you guys think? So now right here, right across, it's gonna be your bathroom. This has tile flooring, single vanity. There's your combo stand-up shower. Got the can lighting above. And then here's the other two bedrooms. So you got one on the right, one on the left. Let's check this one out over here. This is bedroom number 2. Since we did see that one on the first floor. Total of 4 bedrooms. I was like, I thought the closet was gonna be on this side, but it's actually over here. Oh, okay. Decent sized walk-in, okay. Got a window right there as well. But not a bad size at all. Now if we go over here, check out the 3rd bedroom. There's a closet. This one's slightly smaller, but honestly, still good size. I know that's like a what? I want to say like a twin bed. I'm not a bed expert, guys. It could be a full, I don't know. I always get those confused. I'm not a bed expert, like I said. So I do apologize if I got that wrong. So now let's go to the other side, because on the opposite side, that's when you have your primary bedroom suite. And here it is. Look at this. Really good size, guys. King size bed, plenty of space on both sides of the bed, plenty of space here in the front as well. And you even have like a nice seating area right here. Obviously it's your bedroom, you stage how you want, but that's just to give you a quick example. Let me get over here. Yeah, this is a really good size. And then right behind me is the primary bathroom suite. Dual vanity. Got that nice space in between. Love that. Got the white cabinets. Then over here you got the combo. So you got the bath and the stand-up. Stressful days, the tub. Your normal 99% of the time, that stand-up. Because we always hope we don't have those stressful days. I mean, that's not what a bathtub is just for, but I always like to, that's like the many times I think of, hey, that's what I need. But I'm actually too big for stuff like that. Toilet. And here's that walk-in closet. Really good size. Look at that. Well, guys, drop a comment below. What do you think of this floor plan? You dig it? You don't? Let me know. Also, if you guys would like to schedule a private showing, come check this out in person. I will have my contact information down below, guys. Call or text me. Even if you have any questions, guys, whatever it may be, I'm here to help. And also, guys, do me one huge favor. If you guys did enjoy this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Till next time, guys.